Adventures. Today I have a special guest. Welcome my cousin Caroline. Today we are going to make slime. So the ingredients are flour, water, and salt, and some food coloring. That's water.
So we need a little bit of salt, right guys?
Yep. Oh, I thought I didn't see water in there. I'm like, wait, Dad, I need water.
Alright. So what color do you have, Lily?
I have yellow, a little yellowish orange.
What color do you have, Karen?
And I have red.
Go ahead and put them in. That's good enough.
Okay.
Alright. We're going to throw our flour in. Put your spoon now.
Okay.
Careful.
Whoa. Whoa, Care, cool, yours is turning pink. Again. Whoa, it's turning into slime. Ooh. Cool. After we mix it, now it's time to knead it. Let's get started. Are you ready, Caroline? Yeah, I'm excited. Ooh, sticking full. It's sticking towards things. Ooh. I think we need to look, carrot's cool. It's like slimy, but it's not really sticking to me. But you just have to put flour on your hands so it doesn't stick to you. Whoa. I'm gonna put a little tape on this thing. Ow. And it's a little kind of sticky. Guess what, guys? We got slime! Look at our slime! So cool! Look, Caroline, I have a slip and slide, and I can make a slip and slide with my cool slime! Whoa, look, I can make a swirl. How cool that looks. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe at the button to Lillie's Adventures. Bye.